Peter App 27 September release ஆகப்போகுது. ஸோ ரொம்ப எக்ஸைட்டடாக இருக்கேன். அண்ட் நிறைய டைம் அப்புறம் நிறைய டான்ஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கேன் ஒரு ஃபில்மில். யூனோ நடுவில் ஜாஸ்தி ஒரு பர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் ஓரியன்ட் ஃபில்ம்ஸ் எல்லாம் பண்ணேன். பட் இந்த ஃபில்மில் டான்ஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு நிறைய வாய்ப்பு இருக்குது. அதுவும் வித் பிரபுதேவா சார். யூனோ எப்போவுமே எனக்கு ஆசை இருந்துச்சு பிரபுதேவா சார் கூட நடிக்கணும், அவர் கூட டான்ஸ் பண்ணணும்னா. ஸோ finally that has come true. And always I used to dance to Mukabla, Kadalan, Sapne songs, you know, in Bombay. And rumba santosh mark that today I am getting to finally be in the same frame as him. And that comes with a lot of responsibility. And I feel very honored to be sharing screen space with him. நிறைய ரிஹர்சல்ஸ் எல்லாம் பண்ணேன் so that he doesn't have to do many takes because of me. So I'm really happy to share screen space with him. என்னோட நார்த் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் ரொம்ப சந்தோஷப்பட்டாங்க that I am acting with Prabhudeva sir. எதுக்குன்னா எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியும் அவர் only Indian superstar கிடையாது, ஒரு world icon, world legendன்னு சொல்லலாம். Any corner of the world he goes, there is so much love, respect, reach, recognizability, and you know, they just admire him so much. So I'm really thrilled to be sharing space with him. I can go on and on. But thank you so much, sir, for letting me be a part of this film and to let me work with you. Blue Hills has produced Peter App, and I think it's so important for a film to have the quality that it deserves. And Joby sir has really left no stone unturned. இந்த ஃபிலிம்க்கு என்ன வேணும் அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு லார்ஜ் ஸ்கேல் கிராண்டியர் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. எதுவுமே காம்ப்ரமைஸ் பண்ணாமல், you know, he has really brought this film to the level that it is today. So all thanks to Joby sir, and welcome to Tamil film industry, Blue Hills and Joby sir. Of course, the captain of our ship, S.J. Sinu sir, he has a very refreshing take on movie making. Rumba or a unique or a different on a, you know, he has an approach and portrayal. I found it so refreshing, and Peter App is, you know, going to be a proof of that, when the audience is going to enjoy every scene, every song, and rejoice when the film releases. So thank you, Sinu sir, for making Peter App what it is today. And of course Mrs. Riya Sinu, who stood behind him like a rock. She was fantastic. Peter App, I think in the film one of the main lead character music play pandrathu. So you know, I have to like really appreciate and be grateful to Iman sir for giving such fantastic music. And it's just not ஒரு சாங் ரெண்டு சாங் கிடையாது, இந்த படத்தில் எல்லா சாங்ஸ் ரொம்ப ஸ்பெஷலாக இருக்குது. Every song is catchy. Every song you wake up in the morning singing it in your head, you know. So அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு addictive album இருக்கு. Thank you, Iman sir, for giving us fantastic songs to dance to. Our DOP, Jeetu sir, you know, to bring the director's vision on screen, Jeetu sir has really made the film look what it is and brought all the characters to life. So special thanks to him. And Dinil, our writer, you know, the story is such a major foundation of any film, so this is no different. So thanks Dinil for giving such a beautiful story. Sunny for being here with us. And welcome to Tamil industry. I'm sure you had a lot of fun here, and we'll see more of you here. Of course, everyone that is here, all the technicians, all the choreographers, Robert Master, Bhupati, everyone who has contributed towards this film, Anand Aur, and all artists, all technicians. Big, big thank you, Vivek sir, Prasanna Garu, and Prasanna sir. Sorry, I'm doing Telugu films also, so a lot of Telugu is coming out. Prasanna Aur and Karthik Aur from the distribution side, Vijay Kant. Everyone, who else am I forgetting? Every single artist, Rajesh, everyone here. Thank you so much for making this film what it is, and I hope I'm Pavitra or everyone who is here. Thank you again to the entire media, PRO Yuvraj, for having this kind of great support from the entire media, and hope to see you guys soon. So please go watch Peter Rap on September 27th. Lots of love.